Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft Edge for Desktop includes a daily image and a daily video of the day that can be set as an image or a video background on Microsoft Edge's new tab page, as many of you may know. So just a quick video to show you how you can actually enable or disable the daily video the video background on Microsoft Edge's new tab page, in case you were unaware. Now, there are actually two ways we can get to the customization options. The first is to head to the gear icon, the page settings, click on that, and then click on Edit Background. Or I would suggest just head straight to the bottom right, click on Edit Background, which takes you directly to the Customize Background options. Now, on and in this menu, we just scroll down where we get Change New Background Daily. So that's the actual image. And just below that, we get Include Video Backgrounds in Daily Rotation, which now will rotate images and videos accordingly on a day-to-day basis. So we just toggle that on. And you'll notice now at the bottom, we get some video settings which say, choose how videos function based on your device and internet connection. So here we get Energy Saver, which says autoplay works only if device is plugged in. Videos stop after one playthrough. Videos play at 720p HD. And autoplay works only if network connection is fast. So just take note of that. Or if you are using a faster internet connection or a more high-end device, you can set it to balanced, which reads autoplay works only if device is plugged in. Video loops continuously, and videos play HD or better. So I'm going to leave it at balanced for today's video. And then once you've done that, you just scroll back to the top, click on Apply. And now those video backgrounds will be included in the rotation of your daily image and your daily video of the day accordingly, depending on your region. And you might notice one day you get an image and then the next day you'll see a video looping in the background. Now, if you want to actually set a video manually, it's quite simple. We head back to the same menu. And yeah, I'm just going to scroll in the sub menu called background. I'm going to look for, there we go. I'm going to choose water bubble. And then we just click on that, head back to the top and click on apply. And here you'll see that that will start playing. And just something to take note of. If the video isn't playing automatically, as we can see now it's looping, that water bubble is looping in the background. If it's not playing automatically, what I would suggest is heading to your settings. Head over to your settings, head to accessibility. And here you will see visual effects. Make sure animation effects is turned on if you want that video background to play automatically. Otherwise, turn it off, and then what it'll do is it'll just ask you to start playing the video. So I would actually suggest leaving this off because it does use a couple of extra system resources, and I always leave animation effects turned off in my operating systems. So that's how you can actually play the video manually. And yeah, you can see you can actually play that and you can actually pause the video. Now, if you want to disable the daily video background, so the video background on Microsoft Edge's new tab page, what we do is we just head back and reverse the steps, and then we scroll down, and what we will do here is we will uncheck include video backgrounds in daily rotation. And then what I would suggest is just head up to apply, click on that, and now you'll see that it returns you to a actual image of the day and not a video of the day. So that's just how you can enable and disable video backgrounds on Microsoft Edge's new tab page, in case you were unaware. And just something to take note of, you may want to disable the feature because of a couple of reasons. Now, if you are using a more low-end device, obviously this is going to use a lot more system resources. So when you are playing a video in the background, it's going to be using a lot more system resources. So that may affect a low budget machine. So just take note of that. But what I've personally found is that I just found it quite distracting. I know I do use them sometimes in some of my videos, but on a personal level, I just find the video a little bit distracting, especially if I'm trying to get some work done. So if you want to turn it off, as mentioned, just head back, click on that edit background, head to the bottom, click on image of the day, toggle that feature off, click on apply, and that will disable the video background on Microsoft Edge's new tab page. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.